Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another big plane unboxing here. As you see, this is how big this box is that I'm about to unbox today. In here we have the Gemini 200 Delta 767. I cannot wait for this. This is my second Gemini 200 big plane, and I just want to get it open. So let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look. So again, I got this off of eBay for a really good deal. I think it was about 70 bucks with shipping, so very good deal for a model such as this. So the box is kind of beat up, but hopefully that doesn't translate into the actual model. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and get it out. And let's get this box out of the way. Alright. So here we go. Gemini 200 Delta Boeing 767-300ER. Registration November 178 Delta November. I have flown on the 767 before. It was without the winglets though. I was hoping I would find one without the winglets, but I had no such luck. So this is the next best thing, and just can't wait to get this open. So let's go ahead and unbutton it here. Alright. Wow, that looks really nice. Alright, so I'm going to set this over here. This looks like the landing gear's already on. Yes, it is. Alright, cool. And right here is the stand. It still has the blue film on that. I'll take that off a little later. Alright, so I'm going to set the plane right here. Wow, this looks really good. Alright. So let's go over some of the details of this plane. Alright, so up at the nose you see that the nose cone has a lot of detail, which is really cool to see, as in all Gemini 200 models do. You can also see the windshield and the cockpit windows, windshield wipers I mean, sorry. And what's cool about this one is that the front gear actually rotates, so that's pretty cool. We also have the front door, Delta logo, and then landing gear does roll on this, which is nice. We also have the rotating beacon lights, the first antenna, the big winglets. These actually in real life are about 15 feet tall, which is pretty big. We also have the engines, and if you can see inside, there's a lot of detail on the inside of the engines. Moving back, of course, the registration and the Delta tail. So if we look on the bottom here, we have the Delta titles that every new Delta plane has. And look at all the details on the bottom here. It looks really nice. We got more antennas, the landing gear doors, Gemini jets, and a couple more antennas. Alright guys, well that pretty much does it for this video. Actually, hold on, before I go, I want to show you guys another model I just got today. So I completely forgot to film an unboxing video of this, I don't know why, but I just received this in the mail today, which is another 767. This is the Hawaiian Airlines 767-300 without the winglets. This one, now I wanted the one without the winglets because that is the one I flew when I came back flying from HNL to LAX. That was 2013. I'm not sure if this is the exact aircraft. November 583 Hotel Alpha, sorry. But I'll have to go back and check some of my videos, but for some reason the 583HA sticks with me as being the plane that I flew, but I'm not entirely sure. But as you can see, this one also has a really nice detail. This was a 2016 release, so it's got the antennas and the nose cone detail, and it says Boeing 767-300ER. It says 583 on the landing gear, and the landing gear does roll on this as well. It's got pretty good detail, and on the inside of the engines you can see as well. And yeah, and then of course the nice Hawaiian tail. So that is about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Keep on a lookout. I've got 2 more models coming hopefully in the next couple weeks, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Take care guys, and I will see you later.